Hello, Dr. Brett Butterfield here. I wanted to talk to you today about using pulse oximeter devices, and not for the reason that you might think. Of course, you can use this. These are more popular than ever because of the COVID pandemic, and you can use this device to measure your blood oxygen levels and also your heart rate. And that can be a great indicator for your condition, how severe your condition is. I want to talk about this for another reason, and that is testing for food allergies. So you can use this device before and after eating, and if your heart rate increases after eating a meal, then there's a chance you may be allergic to something in that meal. And it's a great way to narrow down and see what you might be reacting to. A lot of times people know they have food allergies, but they're not sure what they're reacting to exactly, especially since a lot of food sensitivities are delayed as much as 72 hours before you feel symptoms from the food that you ate. Okay, but using a simple pulse oximeter device, you can find it immediately upon eating a meal. Okay, so we're now offering this one in our office. It's a Contech CMS 50DL, and it is, I read a bunch of reviews. This one's FDA approved for accuracy and reliability. You can get a lot of devices that have a lot of bells and whistles, and they can be over $100. And this one's just a nice, simple, easy to use device. And so you can just press the button and wait for the numbers to show up. And it comes up usually within 10 seconds or so. But so if you are testing for food allergies, and see, now it's showing up backwards here, but you can see my levels just showed up. And so 97 is my PulseOx, and then my heart rate is at 82. So that quick. You can do this just before eating a meal, about 30 minutes, and then 30 minutes after eating a meal, and again 60 minutes after eating a meal. And if you get an increase in 12 to 16 beats per minute, and there's a good chance you have a food allergy to one of those foods. So this is just such a great, simple way of doing it. Is Dr. Coca, who's a medical doctor who discovered and popularized this decades ago. And it's a great tool to have in your bag if you suspect that you might be dealing with food allergies, or if you're having some sort of respiratory infection. Thanks.